Welcome back today, my followers, to shitcoin updates. Today I'm going to be talking about the Mineralz mining project, airdrop project. So I'll be giving you a guide on how to go about it, especially to all my followers. So this is the project. I just started it barely a week. So this is how much I have farmed here, 20,000. That's what I found. So this is the interface, how it looks like. Here is the mining machine, and these others are yet to open. So but here shows this X2 here shows the number of invites I have. So I have to have up to 10 new invites for this particular place to be unlocked. So maybe every other thing is unlocked. So below here is the mining speed of my mining activity. So what you do basically when you enter this app, after it's showing me 6 hours for the mining to complete, 6 hours 5 minutes. So what at the expiration of 6 hours 5 minutes, this particular place will show me the number of coins the farm mines I'll claim. So I'm going to claim them at the expiration of 6 hours 5 minutes. So this is the home interface. This place is home, while the second one with the tick good is for task. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, now here you see that we have our daily reward, and now it says call. This other side reads call will reward you immediately with points after each task completion. So it is very necessary that you complete this task. I've already done this one. Now I have to add, for me to get this plus 1,000, I'll go and add these mines here to my Telegram channel, my Telegram name, my username. I'll add it. I'll show you how to do that. I'm going to add that. Then I've done this. Coming to sponsorship, I've done everything. So this is what everyone here has to do. Then this one with the face here, this third icon with the face, it shows my number of referrals. So, and it has a line system. So line 1 I have 2 referrals, line 4 I'm going to get 8%. Line 4 means if these my 2 referrals here are able to invite others, I'm going to get 4% from those their own referrals. Line 3, if this line 2 invites more in this line 3, I'll get 4%. If line 3 coming to line 4, line 3 will invite others for me to get 3% of their own mine. The same thing down to 5. So that's the chain. So for each referral here is 100, and I've been able to get 2. That is why you are seeing 200. Here shows my referral link. If I click it, it's going to pop up. Then here is coming soon, some other features. So it's a new project that we are looking at. The project looks authentic. So I will still make a review video of their website and their Telegram channel to see how concrete this project is. For now, this is all about this project, the Mineralz. We call it Mineralz. So for this second task, I'm going to go and add this task here. I'll add mines in TG to my name so that I'll claim this 1,000. So you guys should stay close while I go about this. Sorry for the pop-up. So I'm now going to add the mines to my Telegram name. So I'm coming here. Okay, this is one task. You could see I wrote Juicy CFI for CFI, and I'm done with that. So I've claimed the reward there. So I'm actually going to do this here. So sorry, my profile. Come to my profile. This is what I did. You come here. Sorry. You come here. From here, you click on it. You come to the icon, my profile. You click on it. Now there is an edit button up here with the pencil sign. We are going to click on it. Now this is your name. Up here is my first name. This is my surname. So what I'm going to do is I will remove this and put the mines. You see me do it. I'm going to do it now. So watch. So I'm clicking on this. I copied it, so I pasted it. So this is it. So I'm going to click on OK. So I'm done. You see Josie Mine. That is that for this. So we are going to go back to our Telegram Mines bot. So stay tuned. Now I'm on the Mineralz bot. So this is the interface I want to launch. You search for this name. If you have clicked the link, you must click the link, my referral, that link to get this. So we are going to start farming. So I'll click on this. It's called my farm. So right now I've clicked on it. My farm is ready. Okay, we are still at Q2. Meanwhile, you see a message, Mines token presale is live. So if you want to buy, you click and you get on details, you know more to tell you how authentic this project is. So it's mining from where it stopped. So going back to the task at hand, it's loading. You have to be patient. I want to show you how I claim, and this is my balance. Once I've done the task right, it's going to become 21,000. 21,045. I'm going to do that. So watch closely. Well, if it delays like this, you do this. Simply you click on reload page. Just reload the page. Come back to the task menu. You are waiting. Okay, it has loaded. So I'm gonna come here, this start button, to make sure I've done this. So I'm clicking on it. I'm clicking on it. It's not yet responsive. We click it. Let's go back. Come back. Click. Vibrating my phone. Click. That is to tell me it's not yet done. So let me go back and try again. So I'm back here to try again. Maybe because I added it to my surname. Let me add it to my first name without a space and see. So I've done that. I'm clicking OK. Okay, Josie Mines. So okay, we are back. We are loading. So close. Come back to task. Let's click and see. I've done it right. I added everything to my name. So I'm going to claim. So that is done. you can now see my balance is now 21,045. So that is that for this video. I hope you were able to get the adequate details on how to go about mining on Mineralz, and I believe that I have been able to answer most of your questions. Meanwhile, if you have any further questions, you can use the comment section to ask, and I'll make a video explaining in more clearer terms and details for you to understand. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, comment, and share our videos. Thank you for your time today.